There, I want to show my Zippo I use every day. I use that one for, I think it's a little bit more than 2 months now. Let's see this. You see it's a Meadow. And it's the green one. I really like that. Basically, it's F13 made, and with the lighters with that kind of finish, candy apple red, cerulean or toffee. Yeah, maybe some people are interested how they look after you carry it a lot. Basically, I smoke and I carry it everywhere and use it a lot. As you see, depends on how I hold this. Yeah, here you can see the marks, the scratches. Yeah, basically here in this corner and this here. It's full covered with scratches, but you need the right angle to see that scratches. As you see, it's used. Yeah, it's a lid. I use it for the flint screw. Wait, basically I can show it better. There is a silver chrome under it. Here, the green is peeled off. Over the hinge you can see silver. And that angle there, you can see the scratches, marks. On the other side the same, yeah. There you can see many wear. Okay, I really hope you enjoy this, and yeah, maybe some people with this question how it looks when it's used. Now you see how it looks when you use it.